Hi, so this is the new Co-op 20-inch kids bike that I bought like last week. But once my kids started riding, I think I saw a few problems. I think the seat and the handlebar position is a little awkward, probably for the height my kid is. So I'm gonna show you how she is sitting in the bike, and then I'm gonna tell you what I changed for the bike. So I'm gonna call my kid and let her sit so that we can see how the position looks like. Can you sit? So if you see when she's sitting on the bike and when she's like trying to ride the bike, she goes down. When she's pedaling down, if you see her back, it's like going too awkward, and she started complaining about some neck pain and some back pain. So I'm gonna try to change the position of the stem here. You can get down, rather. Yeah. So I'm gonna attempt to change the stem here for the bike. So what I got was I went to REI and got the stem riser. This is basically 25 bucks. So I'm gonna try to change it now. So I'm gonna start off with removing these threads, one here and two down here. So I'm gonna start off with this one. So I use this wrench, it's basic wrench, and I removed the thread on the top, the cover came off, and I have removed the two screws that were sitting here. So these are the ones that came off, and this, if you see the handlebar, simply just comes off, that's it. So I'm gonna take it off. So I took the stem riser off from the pack that I got. Here's the one, and I have unscrewed the little two threads here, and I'm just gonna fix it on the bike stem. So once you unscrew the top thread of the stem riser, you'll find a screw inside the stem riser. So we need to put the stem riser right here, and then if you see in here, so the screw down from the stem riser needs to go and fit into that. So I'm gonna fix that now. So I fixed the stem riser. I put the one thread inside, I tightened it, and I put the other two threads here. There are two things that I think I should tell you. So while tightening the screw that is inside, I had to hold it very tight so that it fits in properly. It doesn't seem loose. So when you're tightening it, just make sure you hold it, press it down, and then tighten the screw inside. And the other funny thing is, when I was trying to do this, the wheel was rotating freely, and I kind of was thinking which way is the front or the back side of it. So I finally figured it out. This is the right way. I don't know if any of you might have this problem, but this is one thing that to note of. So I'm gonna take the handle and gonna fit it on the stem riser. Let's see how that goes. Okay, so I put the stem back, and I put these two threads back, and these ones that were originally there are not gonna fit in here because there is nothing for the thread to tighten up. So I'm gonna leave this out and then put the thread that came with the stem riser. I'm just gonna tighten it up. Just make sure to see the handlebar position if it is straight enough when you're tightening up the screws. So I think that is it. I'll ask my kid to test the bike and see how it looks like now. Okay, so I fixed the handlebar. I simply put it back, put the two threads back, and just put the lid on. It's just basically just screwing it with the hands. You don't need anything for this. And you can see how it has pretty much increased the height of the handlebar a little bit. So I'm gonna ask my kid to come and sit on the bike. Can you go sit on the bike? Can you put your legs on the pedal? Leave the kickstand. Can you put your legs on the pedal? Go back to the same position. Yeah. Okay. Now Now when you see she's trying to do on the same position that we had earlier, I don't see her back bending as much as I did earlier. So this looks like a much better position now.